Hello, good morning, dear my student. Today we are going to start the topic the Hindu newspaper. Is the Hindu newspaper? It is a very important by this related to the civil service. First, state response by the vaccine shortfall, say the government advisor. Government said that responsibility the state vaccine related to the shortage problems, but central dismissed by the vaccination process on the increase by required to the by state wiki poll. Twitter defaming India, drafting laws say the government. Twitter always follow the rule regulation in this Indian rules. First in India in touched in Domico of the Go reiteration this are not India, it is the context by the government of the domination repairing by this related to this. This news is not important, this civil service and Rajasthan may be moved by AC Globe by tender say the center. Open a state to be COVID-19 relief at the GST. A student nearest by the hour the of ST isolation of the center. Bengal government to new party of the Narad case. City News. Supreme Court to hereby play against the media Sushil trial. 12-year-old mocked the court for vaccinating by children. Northeast of a route by the Supreme Court grant of the bill to accused say the subordinate by evidence. Pandemic take on mental health. COVID recovered by women develop in the complaints so related to the vaccination of the adult 14 to 18 to 44 group of the fourth day in this capital. Delhi has not been received any new supply for vaccinate. Positivity law by the 2 months respond by the preparation of the SIT probe into a track of the farmer to steer to keen taken body of the care mention of the e-rickshaw. North and East News is the Aam Aadmi Party want to the financial aid by tax drive labor 6.5 lakh evacuated people due to second to the COVID-19 in Odisha. Red Pep response term of the check their health status thought by door-to-door survey. In this Odisha bill skin around of the 6.5 lakh people who have equipped by different Cylon and a shelter ahead by the very survey Cylon's storm. Yes, heading to this cost, it's very dangerous. This news is important for the men's civil service examination, paper 3, means. South News reform by will be benefit of the Icelander by culture visit by the interested behind of the comparison to pottery of the Lakshadweep administration for the poor light. He say Karnataka put on the held by plan to sell land of the JSW's still. Doctor call offer a stick in this Telangana. This news is not related to the civil service examination and within the 34,317 recovery state of the active case the drop in the near 3 lakh. In this news is related to the West Bengal 2,290 children in Maharashtra have been one of the both parents Supreme Court district by the hospital not be discharged of the Babul till 1st June. Congress are legal by BJP head in the fight of the against Maharashtra quota. Yes, this news is important by the culture in carry single of the factorate and unplated related to this editorial very important. And Naman P. Ojan. First explain the editorial. So under the Central Vista project to urban planning of the single linked and the culture district seen to be have been toasted out. Naman P. Ahujan related to this editorial we have been the given to understand from the public no plan for the central west redevelopment of the project related to national measure of the India. So copy what is the currently by South Block Office of the Prime Minister. The Minister try to Defense Minister, Minister of the External Minister, and as well as this North Block of the Office of the Home and Finance Minister. These are buildings were designed by the Herbert Baker in Parliament House of the building designed the Edwin Lutyens. It is a fourth turn by the into another the Mason apparently the measure in democracy related to national capital code in this case of the potential in the have granted plaza of 3x trodden by the interconnected summer to in vicinity by this Rakesh Tripathi Bhavan itself. What is a separate cooler by a statement they could not be make the people of the India and the rest of the world. This paragraph said that Prime Minister and External Affairs and Finance Minister. It is why the block, South Block, and residential in the development related to the project, and then the Prime Minister and measured by the national capital of the could not be potently this granted pledge of the three extraordinary by connected. Some of the related to this. Next paragraph. The problem is what could not be never to waited for the North and the South bloc to be emphatic for this measure of the move there. The new residents of the after to Prime Minister and the Vice President of the are positioned by this bottom of the Resina trail. Sandwiching of the culture pledge between this most of the high security prevalence by this country. The approach via Rajpath will be closed and restricted access of the public space innovation by the whenever there are many moments of this very important person. These lines address the problem of the could not be have South Block. There are many types of problem and they measure the residential related to the office Prime Minister and Vice President. But India it is by the position of the bottom two of the Resina of the hill and sandwiched by culture plaza between by the most of the higher security and an approach by the important person of the whenever the public section. And then there were method of the why Leothens by arranged Pluto in this for culture building of the Kunvi of the Jan Path, which is interested extremely by the safe distance away from the Rajpati Bhavan or not be Rajpath. Jagpath had a plotted by the ecological survey of India in the national human in the area of that letter of Indian Gandhra in Indira Gandhi National Center of the Art IGNCA and not be international responsibility of the India the national achieved by together they formed a culture district seat within the public of the garden in the average of the very fair looked of the Raisina Hills in where Rashtrapati Bhavan. On some of the side you look toward by historical Parnaocula Wavand in India gate of the other. Disaggregation by the latte motif that kind of the version by the urban planning of the single linked to culture of the districts in by to have been trusted by the entry of this IGNCA can now to no longer unity by the open space by prevailing welcoming the pledge of the India. It was defined by idea have been not leaded to maybe living of the cultural tradition of the India and no document by the IGNC just not be eroded the road by the classical of the historical art of the national Muslim major National Museum of the Educational by the arm of the museum called the National Museum Institution Demid of the University has already been requality by Noida will be the archaeological by survey in India praised by the collection of the have been related by to Greater Noida and the National Museum by collection may be also to be spread upon by the road of the fort by the farm storage. Some of the awaited to and by new home designing by the rather than the unification of the India culture community. Some of the left modified. This is the Indian culture and related to the development of the museum new Noida sector. A national museum by collected to the maybe have a split come of this collection and designing the make different culture. An educational museum classical from the historical national heritage etc. And then the aim of the museum of the history especially by the one of the it goes to title of the national museum not be the able to speak to it is the possible by speak to be then other world about the historical by India and then pick up the few dedicated by the reading of the national project can be become the necessary of the world where the family can identify this high important by these people of the Indian will be similarity of the belong to this some other part of the world. Related to a speaker of the multiple language, Indian may be also from language group by Punjabi and Sindhi, Nepali, Bhutan, Tamil, Tibetan, Tabit, etc. of the communication and speak the language of the communities by the between the different countries. Our national identify of the neighbor more than this relocation of the our national museum provide by the opportunity different types of the narrative decision the moment of this India needed to be say culture and provide the situation this museum and projected by the thought of the display and be aware to whom it is left by out of the really getting by the different part of the city arrange irrigation of the different by the them could not be have been more than advisory by approach the people the public of the expected by the what is the hope by learn from the museum and different type of the museum nowadays intention by this museum India certain by the history our history museum by other hand by the provide the formation of the appreciated by the agri logical by the earlier 20th century related to glacier by divided into old fascinated by the colonial by them Buddhist and separate the Hindu art, Islamic art separated by metals, planning, Bojan and stone art instance rather than the selling them historical contemporaries by the gone of or their day-to-day objective could not be line the pathinist by the labor of the identify the object of the neography of the dedicated of the have been made of the history textbook by the have moved away from the examined by the success of the political densities related to the museum and required they met multiple of the history. So headline by the handling this with care within does not shifting a museum particle by mean. The National Museum contains Frigel by the Harappan territories by the Ahes of the Buddhist and Esculpiton as fine as filigree. At the same time of the sulfuric by that vision many ton by required to fit of the engineering by the shifting and then by this Darjeeling guilds of the gold chol Bhojan by the coins and the more coins gold silver copper and bronze from very approach by the India in developing the different coins. History and the periodic by the jewelry and in watch of the collection Nizam of Hyderabad. There was their entire of well painted to ancient wave of the Chinese Central Asia bout of India by Air Sir Orul Stein, and there also granted Egyptian stone status by this fact of the interwooden curating from the South India temple. There are extraordinary by this Shaman reasons. Here messages by the form the hermetic by the collection of this detail kit by the textile from the very part of the South Asia and not of the forest or unless this measure by this painting of the by brick plane itself by the paper of the higher scale by the raining of the picnic of the moving by this item of the participation and the logical nightmare. However, there by the 1 year I was played by the S. Molen by Museum in the Oxford. I had the opportunity to observe the how aspect by this that museum and avoided meaning of the refurbishment this undertaken. The museum immediately by the employed by more qualified the connection personal not trended to existing by the shifting. Every single objective by the have not be a special picnic case by the original objective and data not be guessed by the climate of the controlled this each related to number of the approach by connection to online location in this Oxford allowed. This editorial is the history are related to this and medieval times and then the choice ahead the choice ahead last year that lost the angles of the country museum out of the shut down to one taken by the similar of the mob rebooting by this museum within the compare for the square footage costing over is 750 million. Refunding by the building of the such as the north-south block provide the faculty necessary cost by the money of the taken time. It required to experimental by a skill and few of the artists by this necessary experiment in the equipping by the historical building. Though narrating by the current of the future controlled by the corner of the moment of the objective and the people fighting of them state of this strong security of his lighting climate control of the improving by the follower loading capacity but the large of the pilgrim of the chol scope trail this national museum week many tons observed visually by the putting the stress heritage building and the recently by the approval by the made of the Supreme Court of this India and enough by the shifting the India top of the office north and south block. The government lawyer by this situation by building of this structurally by the unsafe L are ill by impaired by meet even the basic fire and earthquake. Safety normal will not be the safety enough house by the greatest by the wealth and tenure when the personal of this head. And then none of these detail by the public of the available to perhaps court of the parliament will be decided not be wedged by a split to interculture district of the moment of the chime. Perhaps this is more by effect offer us in presidential by opportunity to build by the nation. Capacity not be measured by management of the likely never before the either the when evidence by the collective healthy by nation in this balance of this written the editorial. Naman P. Arjun is the quarter by this Professor Art and History of the Jawaharlal Nehru University and New Delhi. He is the co-editor of the Art and the Enter by the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Latin by the Vyants. International news is the very important. The topic widen order to people into the virus origin. In the China, President tell by US internal by community to reduce by their effective by determine the and China's slam Biden of the statement on the COVID-19 related and carefully the investigation. US China agreement by the era has been come to end by top of the US official. Gaza attack by maybe continue war crime. Even in right of the chief batched by rise over level of the civil faculties blocked by the WhatsApp said Palestine is the generalist. Pakistan Taliban leader killed by the Balochistan micro Sikh forgiven by the Ravdan Jen. This news is not related to the civil service. Kim permission to the build by North Korea's socialism. Thank you.